Wow, all right, guys, you can see we'll be doing so much unboxing this month. Yes, our 36 cartons just arrived from China to Nigeria, so we'll be doing more of unboxing videos. You can see them right here. So if you're kind of person that love, now you can see, so you see that I'm not saying something I don't know. You can see Geneseo. So if you're kind of person that love unboxing videos, you want to see what is in here, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and start expecting. Start expecting. Start expecting, guys. Start expecting. Start expecting, guys. All right. Before, yes, so we're doing more of unboxing videos. So make sure you hit the like button and continue. Now let's go ahead and unbox even this bicycle. Doing the unboxing too. You can see how beautiful this is. Alright, but what we are talking about today is that if you watch the first video, we mentioned we did the first and the other footwear, the sneakers, but now we do another type of sneakers unboxing video. The next video we doing beaded shoes. So if you love unboxing videos, make sure you join me as I keep unboxing. All right, so now look at this one. Look at this one. This one is another type of kid sneakers. All these are mixed, and but the mix are so beautiful. The mix are so lovely. So I said earlier on, if you also want contacts, you can chat me up. Now this one, the road size. This is from size I think 36 to 40. Yes. Yeah. So I don't think so. What is this one? See these people also. What kind of bag is this one? So you don't see better. They don't see better bag. You mean? Oh well, that's by the way. Now let's go ahead. Ooh, wow, this is lovely. Look at the sole. My camera is not making justice to this. The sole is thick, as in the quality shook. Oh wow. Now let's keep going. Wow. Oh my God. Look at the tag. It came with a tag. You can see this. Don't worry, I'll open the nylon to show you how exactly this looks. Look at it. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. You can see. You can see. Okay. I'm seeing a smaller size. Look at this pure white. Wow. Just imagine your kid rocking this with the jean. It's going to be so lovely. So lovely, guys. This is fine. So fine. This is mixed. So follow Unoro though. This is mixed. And we are getting this beautiful things in here. Look at the black. This is for babies too. This is fine, man. Wow. The shoelace is something else. This is lovely. We have different colors right here. Different colors right here. Different sizes right here. So now this is the pink. This looks so fine for a baby girl. Oh, I feel like opening this. Well, we'll do that. But I just want to bring it out. We'll do that. Just want to bring it out so you will see everything in this carton. This is a very big size. This should be size 40. Well, we'll open and check. Look at this one. This is fine, man. Look at this one. This is beautiful. Look at this one. So if you love unboxing videos, just make sure you watch till the end and hit the like button, turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, because this December, Genesee will be unboxing the 36 cartons from China. So you can't afford to miss lovely things, lovely views. This is fine. This is fine. Wow. This is fine. So you can't afford to miss at least view with your beautiful eye and see beautiful things. Alright. So just hit the like button, like this video. And if you've not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button. Because here in this, wow, this is fine. Just here in this channel for how to make money online. And if you're someone that is also interested in joining pre-order groups, then just go to the comment section, go to the description button, icon area. You'll see my group link. Hit the group link and join for the next batch. Alright. Wow. So guys, how do you see this footwear? Go ahead and write on the comment section how you see this footwear. Are they really lovely? Are you sure it's from 1688? You know, some people will say, hey, footwear, 1688. I didn't get this from 1688. Yeah. So if you want to know where I got it, write down on the comment section and ask me the question there. Then I will feel free to tell you where I got it. I actually got it from China, but not from 1688, not from Pindodo. Alright. And not from AliExpress. I know someone will say it's AliExpress. And not from Alibaba. So not from the sites. So this is beautiful. Let's bring that all. Then I will just open one so you see how exactly it looks. Alright, let me open one. This is all what is here. This is fine, man. This is beautiful. Okay, let me just open one. So next video we'll be showing the unboxing of this beautiful bicycle right here. It's so fine. That's how it looks like. So fine. So next video I'll be showing the unboxing of that. Okay, let's just open one. Which one should I open right now? Wow, I just opened one and see how beautiful this looks. What's the woman for me? It has a net. Look at it. I don't know what to call this. Yes, it's a net, but the net is somehow, it's so unique. Look at it. Oh God, so fine. Then the shoelace is something else. Can you take a look at the shoe? Oh my. Then look at the sole. It's beautiful. Okay, this is size 33. Alright, see how pretty it looks. Can you see how pretty it looks? Look at the inner. Ooh, look at the, so fine. And if I tell you that this shoe, these sneakers, if I tell you the price, you'll be amazed. Okay, so just write in the comment section and guess how much the sneakers is. You know. Alright, let me just stop here so this video won't be too long. So expect our next unboxing video. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.